I would request everyone to please take your seats. We'll be starting in next 2 minutes. Kindly take your seats.
We dream the future. We drive it.
ஒரு வண்டி ஒரு கூட்டணி. நாம் நம்புவது அசோக் லேலண்டை. எதிர்காலத்தை நாம் ஒன்று கூடி வழி நடத்துவோம்.
We don't follow the road. We build it. Cleaner, stronger, smarter.
Faster turnaround times, better operator comfort, alternative and greener fuels, and impeccable service. This transition is even more pronounced in the heavy commercial vehicle sector, where increased torque and power are required to support heavier payloads and longer, more demanding routes and terrains. In a nutshell, our customer expectations are now shifting from simple mileage and reliability to holistic profitability. As country's largest manufacturer of buses and second largest manufacturer of trucks, we fully understand our responsibility to offer only the best to our customers. Innovation and customer centricity is in the DNA of Ashok Leyland. For the last almost 80 years now, we have been working with only one mission: how to make our customers more successful. Even as we turn 80, at heart, we remain young and agile, ready to innovate, ready to bring nothing but the best to our valued customers. We may not be the highest in the volumes yet, but I can tell you with immense pride that Ashok Leyland is undoubtedly a leader in the CV industry when it comes to technology and when it comes to customer service. Our product and technology pipeline is now stronger than ever before. We are working on several new platforms covering the entire spectrum of commercial vehicles market, both on the freight and the passenger side. These are not being developed just for the Indian conditions, but will also serve Ashok Leyland's global ambitions in the CV market. We are putting even more energy behind our programs on electrification, other alternate fuels such as LNG and hydrogen, to mature these technologies and reduce the cost considerably. You can very well expect Ashok Leyland to launch multiple new and stunning products each year going forward. We are working with even more energy to provide our customers an after-sales experience which is truly world-class. In the last 30 months, we have added more than 320 outlets and 2,300 bays across the country. We are also in the process of completely reimagining the after-sales experience for our customers. We will reach out to you later in the year to showcase how we intend to revolutionize our customer service processes. Friends, today is an historic moment for Ashok Leyland and I want to thank you again for being part of this. Today we are launching two of our new major product lines, which we believe is the best ever you have seen from Ashok Leyland. I know you are all very excited to see what is in store, and therefore I am not going to stand between you and Sanjeev, who will now unveil the details of our latest products. I can only tell you that both the product lines we are launching today have been built with both heart and mind. I say heart because these new products capture thousands of hours our engineers have spent with our customers to understand their pain points, their needs, and also their aspirations. And I say mind because all of what you will see today is hard work and brain work of the immense engineering talent we have at Ashok Leyland, which I deeply believe is second to none. Dear partners, our success of the last 80 years has been possible only because of patronage of each and every one of you, and because of the love and affection we have received from thousands of our loyal customers. You have been and will always be an integral part of the Ashok Leyland family. On behalf of Ashok Leyland, I promise you that we will continue to further cement our relationship in every which way as we grow together to achieve new heights of performance and collective success. Thank you. Koi manzil dur nahi.
Thank you, sir. Now, to take us through the legacy of HIPPO and Taurus and to unveil the next chapter of these iconic names, I would like to invite the person who has been instrumental in shaping Ashok Leyland's MHCV journey. Please welcome our President MHCV, Mr. Sanjeev Kumar.
Good evening, namaskar. Our channel partners who have come from all India to participate in this celebration of Ashok Leyland, our financiers from banks and NBFCs, my colleagues from different functions who have come here, and our customers. I have spent my life in Ashok Leyland, and in this journey I have engaged with many of you. Every one of you have taught me some positive things, and I wanted to thank each one of you for your support which you have extended in this journey. आज हम लोग यहाँ इकट्ठा हुए हैं अशोक लेलैंड की फ्यूचर का एक नया चैप्टर लिखने को, और आप लोग यहाँ हैं for this moment of celebration. I want to thank each one of you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you once again for coming and joining us for this moment. जैसा कि you can see, it's about return of legends. When I started my journey with Ashok Leyland in '91, we grew up looking at hippos, and then came Taurus Tippers. It started with Taurus Multi-Axle and became Taurus Tippers. तो एक बहुत लंबी जर्नी थी हिप्पो की. हिप्पो was known as, it was an iconic brand. It was more than a name. There are memories, there are milestones, and there were partnerships. Many of us would recall India was going through first change of liberalization, and phase one started, I would say. So let us look at what the pioneering journey of these two brands. So back in 80s, India was aggressively growing, and the entire nation was moving towards new era of progress. And I believe powering this movement were our hippos and Taurus also. They played their role. Hippo with its rugged aggregates was built for demanding operations, applications, and became the image that many customers associated with heavy-duty cargo in India. For many of you, Hippo stood for unwavering reliability. At the same time, Taurus cemented its place as first multi-axle tipper for high-load applications across country. Even today, many of our customers, when they talk about multi-axle tipper, they say Taurus tippers. Hippo and Taurus have left a lasting influence on CV industry, a legacy we at Ashok Leyland are deeply proud of. Now, India goes to next level of growth as Bharat surges towards new era and prosperity. We have now reimagined these two legendary brands in new avatar. Taurus Tipper, built to conquer, and HIPPO Tractors, powered for progress. Can we have a reveal visual, please? Now let me talk about HIPPO range. HIPPO range of tractors come in both 4x2 and 6x4 configuration. They are designed keeping in view the evolving expectations of our customers. They are ideal for applications like e-commerce, blue metal, cement, steel, coal, and over-dimensional cargo. HIPPO range is powered by 320 horsepower with 1300 Newton meter torque for 4x2 and 360 horsepower with 1600 Newton meter torque for 6x4 tractors. I would say that HIPPO range is fully tuned to ensure fuel efficiency for better economics of our customers. These products also comes with suite of features aimed at driver comfort and safety. Can I have a product video on screen, please?
Decades, HIPPO set the benchmark for performance, a symbol of unwavering reliability and relentless power. From that legacy, a new force arises. Reintroducing the all-new
Let me now talk about Taurus range of tippers. These tippers are powered by 8-liter A-series engine. We offer options of 360 horsepower and 320 horsepower, depending on your application and specific needs. These tippers, once again, offer industry-best torque at 1600 Newton meter and 1300 Newton meter. And these kind of torques deliver productivity and improved uptime for our customers. Heavy-duty aggregates such as zero-drop front axles, heavy-duty gearbox, high-capacity bogie and front suspension. They are designed to tackle even heaviest load at toughest terrain. We understand the importance of driver safety and comfort, and this range comes with suite of features which will ensure that your drivers never get fatigued and they can work 24/7 with these tippers. These tippers, the most important thing is criticality of uninterrupted operations. We will be offering a comprehensive website support for all the mining locations across India. We will also guarantee a dedicated air-trained supervisor and availability of genuine spare parts at those sites to ensure maximize vehicle uptime. This comprehensive setup will ensure that vehicle performance is achieved and operational downtime is minimized. These offerings will also be available for all the mining locations in which these tippers will be deployed. Can I have a Taurus product video on screen, please?
Introducing the Ashok Leyland Taurus, engineered to dominate every terrain. Driven by purposeful design, Taurus delivers higher power with an 8-liter engine and best-in-class torque. When the terrain pushes back, Taurus pushes harder. Through the uneven ground, this truck surges with unmatched stability. Through tight spaces, the Taurus turns with ease. Comfort meets safety in this elevated cabin. Work doesn't wait for perfect conditions. Neither does Taurus. It's built to run longer, stay stronger. When the dust settles, this legacy of strength stands tall. The Ashok Leyland Taurus, built to conquer.
Ladies and gentlemen, for Ashok Leyland, this is a significant milestone in our journey, and we are delighted to have all of you here with us. I'm sure new HIPPO and Taurus range of vehicles will take their legacy to the next level. Now I invite all of you to move to the launch for product unveil. We have a team outside waiting to guide you there, and I would like to thank each one of you once again for being part of this journey. Thank you very much.
proceed for unveiling
MD and CEO
by touching
and
the cube.
President, sir.
I would request
and National Sales Set
MD and CEO
please touch
and
the
President
cube
sir and
and
National
product
Sales Set
for product
to
unveiling.
please touch the cube and product for product unveiling.
Legends return. When purpose. Legends return. When new demand. Purpose calls. When new demands require proven strength. Today is about performance reimagined for a new age. Power reawakened. Witness the return of the legends. Taurus and Hippo.
I once again thank each one of you. And now the food and bar counters you can proceed for seeing the vehicles. Thanks a lot, everyone. And parallelly the food and bar counters are also open. Thanks a lot, everyone. Thank you.